Hello and welcome back to another video. I have actually been doing quite a lot of I'd say construction, but not construction, more like deconstruction. Yes, deconstruction. Well, let's have a look at this first. First of all, let's see what is the shower room. Now it is kind of not a shower room. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's all detailed here now. So I just need to get that wood down there. Take that off there. Take that off there, the wood. Get the plumber tool, take this out and take this out. All these walls here, dot and dabbed and re-plasterboarded. I've got the new shower ready and waiting. We've got the new sink and cupboard underneath for this already. It's waiting. Just need to get a new toilet and get that boxed in. It's going to be sorted soon. And as you know from which I spoke about last time, this basically this wall here is being taken out because currently we're using this as our little makeshift lounge. Well, this is the kitchen, as you can see. We've de-wallpapered it all, literally. With this countertop replaced with a quartz one or granite, with that sink there. Being put there, which the sink will end about here. All plastered again, as you can see. We've put in a extractor fan in there. That's being plastered up. New nice extractor fan up there. Nice hidden behind there, which looks actually really nice. You wouldn't know it was there, or you'd expect it being the fact there's an oven there and there's going to be a hob. And having all this taken up, you're actually having proper floor tiles, durable floor tiles for it. What else is happening? Here are the rabbits. There's little Warren there and Luca in the cage there. As you can see, we keep shuffling everything around. We've actually just got some new ceiling roses. So this big one is going in the bedroom, the master bedroom. That little one there is going to be going up there. And we've got a nice chandelier putting in. Basically, I'm starting to paint this room. As you can see, it does need painting more, but I've only got so much time because I like to do the edges and the skirting boards and the coving, and then once that's dried, I can go over the wall properly and it'll look decent. What have we actually uncovered now? But this is just so good. We went to a place that was about 180 years old, and this house is 200 years old. And basically, we thought we did get a piece of stone, as I told you last time, from the garden, cleaned up for a mantelpiece, and we found that. How sick is that? The original 200-year-old archway for where they would have put a stove in there, I guess, and it is open. But how amazing is that? And if you look at the back of it, it's going to be massive. And we're going to put we're going to plasterboard it, and it's going to look beautiful. And actually, this wall here is going to be a different colour. We've decided it's going to be English sage, which is basically like a greeny grey. And back in Georgian times, believe it or not, what they did was they didn't bother making the skirting boards, the coving and all that stuff all white. What they did is they weren't finding around, they didn't have time because they had such vast houses. They used to paint everything, so that shelving unit there, all the counters, all that chimney vest once it's been tied in, and everything, and all that wall there, and the skirting boards will all be that English sage green. Ceiling rolls down there will be going up there. There's little Warreny, little rabbity rabbit. There you are, Mr. Rabbit, and there's little Luca. Oh, our little two lion head rabbits. So that's that scenario coming on. Let's see about all the wood chip wallpaper. Got to take all this off. We're putting these on sale. These vintage antique light fittings up sale. Basically, with what we are having done when the joiner comes, is replacing that thing there and putting it on there, like on top of that white thing, getting rid of all these two trunking things, getting rid of that, keeping this mirror in and making it look nice. And the big ceiling rails, as I said before, is going to be going up there. That massive one downstairs will be going there. We've got a nice big chandelier as well to go there. As you can see, we've got a bit of a leak up there. Hence that down there. But this hasn't really changed much either. It's just this is the boiler, one of the last rooms it's going to be sorted. That light's still got to go downstairs in the dining room, which we currently use as a lounge. We've cleaned all the radiators. So for the bathroom, this has got to come out soon because we're having tiles on the floor very soon. We need to clean the walls and paint them. And then we need to put that back in. Changing these lights, that light into some IP.3 lights. It's really this banister. It stops here. So we're also getting a quote to have this hollow banister made to look like this one. So it's kind of like in keeping. It'll stop there. The chimney breast has been plastered, and it looks lovely. I will take a picture of the final one. So we've got the before with the back boiler. Back boiler comes out, hole in it, digging it out like it is now, and then what it looks like when it's done. So if you want to follow us on there, follow us on Lister Family Renovations. You can follow me on there as well. It's just James Lister 05. Don't know why people don't just. I've got loads of renovation videos. Follow the process of this house. How we're going to basically doing most, apart from a few trades that we need to have done to make it look nice. Changing lights, painting, knocking walls out, de-wallpapering, changing sockets, sorting kitchens out, just doing loads of stuff ourselves to try and save money on demolishment. I'm demolishing it myself. Please subscribe, it's free, it's great, we'd love it if you can.